Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into something super important for your health, vitamin D. We often hear about it, but do you really know why it's so essential? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what happens when you don't get enough vitamin D. Lack of vitamin D can lead to a bunch of problems. You might experience fatigue, bone pain, muscle weakness, or even mood changes like depression. Your immune system can also take a hit, making you more susceptible to infections. Sounds pretty rough, right? Now let's flip the script and talk about the benefits of having enough vitamin D in your system. It's crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is vital for bone health. Plus, vitamin D supports your immune system, brain, and nervous system. It even plays a role in regulating insulin levels and supporting lung function and cardiovascular health. Basically, it's a powerhouse nutrient. So how can you make sure you're getting enough vitamin D? Here's where it gets tasty: dry fruits. Yes, you heard me right. Certain dry fruits are packed with vitamin D and can be a delicious way to boost your intake. First up, let's talk about almonds. These crunchy nuts are not only rich in vitamin D, but also loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They make for a perfect snack or a great addition to your morning cereal. Next, we have dried figs. Figs are sweet and chewy, and they're a fantastic source of vitamin D. They're also packed with antioxidants and can help improve your digestion. Pop a few in your bag for a quick energy boost. Another great option is dried apricots. These little orange gems are not just high in vitamin D, but also in potassium and fiber. They're great for your skin and can help keep your eyes healthy. Toss them in your salad or blend them into a smoothie for a nutritious kick. And don't forget about walnuts. Rich in vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, walnuts are fantastic for your brain and heart health. Sprinkle them over yogurt or just munch on a handful. Lastly, sun-dried tomatoes. These are a bit unconventional but packed with vitamin D and flavor. Add them to your pasta dishes or salads for a tangy twist. So there you have it. Incorporating these vitamin D-rich dry fruits into your diet is a simple and delicious way to keep your levels up. Your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. See you next time.